Hey guys, it's been a while since I made Bak Kut Teh. I do love to have Bak Kut Teh at home because it is so comforting and it's much better when you can customize the Bak Kut Teh based on your preference. So today I'm going to show you how I made my Bak Kut Teh at home. It's very easy to make at home and most of the time it's just waiting for the Bak Kut Teh soup to be ready. So let me show you. Before that, this recipe is actually for 4 persons. Firstly, we need to blanch the pork ribs and pork belly. This is very important if you want a clear soup. So, bring 2 liters water to a boil and put in the 200 gram pork belly and 350 gram pork ribs. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can see all the impurities like this. You can remove the pork and rinse it in a cold water. Okay, next we are going to start cooking. This process is going to take about 1 to 2 hours depending on how rich you want the soup. Normally I will cook it for at least 1.5 hours. Okay, I bring 3 liters water to a boil. Once it's boiled, we are ready to put in our ingredients. Here I'm putting back the pork ribs, pork belly, 10 dried shiitake mushroom that I have soaked and squeezed out the water, 1 whole garlic with skin on and cut into half, and the most important Bak Kut Teh packet. I'm using Mo Sanko brand. I put 1 packet. I love this brand for Bak Kut Teh and also another brand called Clay Pot. That one is also good. Okay, and then I put some Chinese herbs that come with the packet. Then I put in 200 ml mushroom water, the water that I used to soak the shiitake mushroom. Cover it and let it come to a boil. Then lower the heat to lower medium and let it boil for about 1 hour. So halfway through, you can skim the white floating thing on the soup. And also I like to remove the pork belly as I don't want the soup to be too oily. After 1 hour, the soup has thickened and we can put it in the pork belly back. I have cut the pork belly to smaller bite size and then add Fu Zhok. This Fu Zhok I have blanched with hot water and rinsed with cold water before squeezing out all the oil. Okay, now for the seasoning, it's really up to you. I put about slightly less than half cup soy sauce and 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper. Then give a taste, and if everything is good, we are going to put in Enoki Mushroom. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until Enoki Mushroom is softened. Then it's ready to serve. Usually we will eat this with some lettuce, so we will serve it with lettuce, and also don't forget the and don't forget the warm fluffy rice. This is so good. Remember to eat it while it's still hot or warm. Also, we love to dip it with chili padi and soy sauce, but it's really up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you think about this recipe. Is it easy? And what other recipe that you want to see in my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for your support and bye.